people are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.